Hey, good morning everyone. My name is Eric Delcart and I'm Solution Consultant with Blackbox. And here on the ISE 2020 we are presenting our MCX solution. Our MCX is an SDVoE solution and we are proudly part of that alliance. And here we're showing off our MCX S9 units that are very performant, very high switching speeds and are even capable of doing scaling. SDVoE is based on 10 gig networks. And it has very easy to implement, very easy to install, and gives you very high performance. That means 4K, 60 images coming in, and just lightning fast going to the receivers. We have a very low latency time, and of course a very short switching time. As you can see, we've implemented this together with our control bridge, which is our system management solution. And by doing that, in using the API, we are capable of switching this system on a very easy way. So all I just do is select the source, put it on the video wall, and as you can see, it switches immediately. It's not only doing video wall, of course we can do point-to-point as well, so I can just start selecting all these screens and make the deployment very easy. As deployment-wise, there's hardly any work to set it up. It's very easy to do, again. And well, hope you can see and visit us here on our booth. Feel free to come over if you want to more information. You can visit us on the www.blackbox.com website.